it's not clear. My heart is holding on to the past, but somehow I just want this to last. And I miss the way you used to fall asleep, and I miss the stories about your dreams. But most of all, I miss that sweet nostalgia.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yemisi, and if you're new here, hi. Let's first take a moment to acknowledge this beauty because cozy, looking pink, looking Okay, I just wanted to open this vlog. It's been a while. I opened a vlog on Sunday. I'm off to church and I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, oh my god, like the vista is so much. So we got a warning saying that there's going to be a blizzard. Oh my god, it's so terrible. Like everywhere is just like, can you guys see? My hands are freezing right now. Anyway, I'm on my lunch and I just wanted to go to Tim Hortons to buy something. The pecan banana bread, and then no, pecan banana bread, this one here, and then maybe the strawberry shortcake. Yeah, and then the old-fashioned plain, the one at the bottom. Yeah, sure. I'm gonna be paying with my credit card. So guys, right now I'm in Tim Hortons. I can't eat like I said. I have this few stuff here because usually when I don't take my lunch to work, I just have to resort to buying I don't know why this is not staying. There you go. Really, I just have to resort to snacks from Tim Hortons. So this is called the pecan banana bread. I really love it. And guys, you cannot actually sit in any restaurant in my face without having your COVID vaccine passport. I'll show you guys what that looks like. So yummy. And then I have this strawberry. I love this so much, but I'm not gonna eat it now. I'll eat it later. So because of COVID, a lot of people don't sit down in the store. Can you see like so many empty chairs? And because it's just very stressful having to sanitize after every, I don't know, it's just, people just prefer to buy and just take out. It's really snowing outside. So crazy. Let me show you. So I don't know if you guys heard when she was asking me if I had a vaccine passport. This is what it looks like. So basically your first dose, the date, and then your second dose, the date. Alongside the photo ID that confirms the name. So basically without the vaccine passport, you cannot sit in restaurants to eat. You can only buy it out. Why am I looking so swollen? You can only order a takeout and not buy in store. So basically that's it. I know there's still a long-standing debate about it, because some people feel like it's violation of human rights. Like, why can't I go into a store when I have my mask on? But then I think it's just what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. Yeah. So I just wanted to fill you guys in, just so you know. Let's talk it to COVID. Alright, yeah, so I am done now and I have to take my leave because why not? So that I don't resume back late, because this is just me on my break. I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Oh my god. Morning guys. Just wanted to show off my hair because I finally chopped my hair off the last time. Right now I'm trying to make a new hair. My cornrow lasted for about 7 weeks or so. Oh god, let me see, you're not proud of yourself. But just so many circumstances that make me to make my hair. So I'll show you guys the before so that when you see the after, you're gonna appreciate the beauty. All right, talk to you guys later. See how I look. Okay, so yeah, I mentioned that I was going to be making my hair, but apparently Uju is lazy. She'll be making my hair later in the night because we're in this house together. See this life. If you don't pay for something, that's how they will treat you. Anyway, I am going outside now to do like little grocery shopping because guys, I don't even know how I've been eating lately. Like I eat so much that I finished my grocery that's supposed to last for 2 weeks in like a week. Anyway, so going to do my grocery shopping quickly, and because the weather is a bit better outside, she must be better, it's better outside. And I just thought to quickly go out now because even though it's minus 20 something, it's kind of sunny, so I feel like it would, you know, absorb the cold a little bit, because later at night it's going to be windy and also like minus 30 something, so it's be colder. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Let's go grocery shopping together.
I've been so robotic. Everything I do is cold. Funky, hypnotic. Make me wanna hit the dance floor. Don't just stop moving.
So where I am now is Sobeys, and the reason I'm here is because we're trying to surprise someone for her birthday. So I want to quickly look out for the cake area so that I can just talk to them and then see how they can help us design a cake. Let me show you guys everywhere. Can you see like so many fruits around me? I don't know if you like back in the Larama to buy my favorite gummy bear. So I'm taking this one. Where is the second one? Gummy one. All of you that like Ijakuje, it's $1 for all of these things. You see, 87 cents. Twix. Mars is 87 cents. Bound 6 weeks. See, so guys, see what I found. I'm actually looking for plants, like artificial plants that I don't have to water them, and they will just be so beautiful. Oh, this looks so beautiful. See, it's just $2. So maybe the next time I come, I'll buy this one, or should I buy this one? Let me know. Oh, $2 each, if I'm not mistaken, or maybe $4, but it's not expensive. Yeah, let me know which one you guys would like me to buy so that I'll come back to get it. This is the Larama, by the way. I'm now in Superstore. I don't know if you guys can see it from here. And the first thing is I'm trying to get a cart, but we need $1 to unlock this cart. So let me show you. Because if not, I won't be able to bring it out. So I would get my $1 once I unlock it back. So let's go into the store. Ooh.
Take another step now. I don't even know how we got here.
This is where the wala is. I know that we're buying kale. $2.49. I sometimes don't know the difference between these things. So I think I'm buying 1 kale. And then maybe this one. I just had to call Uju to rescue me. So we are picking 3 of this. Spinach. Because most of the names, I'm not familiar with them. Ugu is ugu, egusi is vegetable is vegetable. So I'm taking 3 of this. This one. Doesn't look fresh. This looks small. Maybe this one. This one. $2.49 then color. This one. I think I should start getting used to people looking at me and then me just knowing that it's from YouTube, because someone was just looking at me while I was recording. She's so pretty, and I was just like, okay, so why is this person looking at me like I'm making a video? It's none of your business. But then she looked and like, are you Yemisi? I'm like, oh yes. This person has been living here for past 4 years and she's still watching my video. That means a lot to me. Wow. Okay, right now I am trying to get a gold seal fish just because it tastes very good, like our Titus sardine in Nigeria. And what else? Butter seeds. In this Canada, once they know that you are stepping out, everyone wants to just send you on an errand. Anyway, let me get to it quickly.
Fall asleep, and I miss the stories about your dreams.
No, that's nice. Yeah.
Get ahead of myself.
Yeah. If I don't have the optimum card and I give you my phone number, can you?
If you put in your phone number, that works.
Okay, awesome. So 639.
You have not put your phone number in there.
I put it there.
Okay, maybe I punched in the wrong
Okay,
number.
639.
639. Oh, I didn't do that one. No worries. All right.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, donation will tell a miracle. There you go. Double check on your account. See if it's in there again.
Okay, sure. Thank you. So worried that this is almost 6 p.m. and it's not yet dark. That means we're gradually entering spring. Oh my god. Can you guys see? I'm waiting for my bus. My bus should be here in 2 minutes. I think I can see my bus. Or maybe not. My hands are freezing, guys. Just because I want to make video for you guys, like show you guys outside. So like my video, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, period. I can see my boss coming.
Don't you wanna do it too?
Here comes my boss.
Acting like you don't see me. The only one I want is you.
Look at this. Gold is my favorite color when it comes to braids. I really love gold. So this is what Uju did on my head. All you can do basically is to look for someone that can help you make your hair, or if you have money, of course, why not? And at least I have something to stick out. See, in this Canada, you cannot be taking professional hair except you have money. So good morning, you guys. It's a bright new day, and yesterday was the day we went grocery shopping together. Oh my god, my body's paining me. I didn't sleep well. You know that feeling when you make a new hair, you have to sleep like this. So my neck is paining me, my back is paining me, but I mean the end goal is to look good, which I think that, you know, judge it in the comment section. All right guys, so yesterday when I went to the grocery shop, I realized that Valentine is coming, so please let me know how you are celebrating your Valentine in the comment section, because you don't know, you might just be giving some people ideas for free. This Sunday, when you guys will be seeing this video, my family members and I, we are going, I'm not going to review so that you guys will come back and watch the video. But it's something related to snow, so it's like an outdoor activity. And also on Valentine's Day, we intend to like have some friends come over and we all go out to a restaurant. See, I don't like to be telling you people things ahead so that nobody will be dragging me by my trouser in case I don't fulfill it. But basically that's like our intention. You guys, let me know if you like this video in the comment section. There's no way you will not even like it because it's an outdoor video. All right, so I will talk to you guys later because I feel like this video is already like jam-packed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that each time I post a video you will be notified. See what is making an appearance in our video. You remember the shoe? Okay, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and of course hit the bell, share to your friends, tell people to join this channel because we're about to hit 10k. Let's hit 10k now. This February we can do it. Okay. All right, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.